gentle slope leading up to Shed House offered a glimpse of a structure both grounded and airy. Its steel frame stood confidently against the backdrop of Nova Lima's preserved nature, the concrete block walls a testament to the straightforward materials embraced by the young couple. Wide expanses of glass hinted at the life unfolding within, a deliberate transparency that invited the surrounding landscape to become a silent witness to their daily rhythms. The roof, a tapestry of thermoacoustic tiles laid over steel trusses, spoke of efficiency and a thoughtful selection of prefabricated elements, a theme echoed in the exposed plumbing and electrical conduits, the smooth concrete floors, and the sturdy, waterproof benches that seemed to grow organically from the architecture itself. Stepping onto the large veranda felt like a seamless transition from the embrace of nature to the heart of the home. This generous outdoor space flowed effortlessly into the main living area, where the kitchen, dining room, and living room converged in a harmonious openness. Sunlight streamed through the glass, illuminating the clean lines and the potential for the couple's personality to take center stage. A cool, inviting swimming pool, a solid concrete tank, lay just beyond, promising refreshing dips under the Brazilian sun. Tucked away at the rear, a practical laundry room provided a quiet utility, while an accessible guest suite on this level offered a welcoming space for visitors. Ascending to the upper floor revealed a striking architectural feature, a steel catwalk that sliced through the double height of the living room, creating a visual connection between the two private suites situated at opposite ends of the building. This elevated pathway offered unique perspectives of the shared living space below, a reminder of the couple's intertwined lives. To the north, one of the suites opened onto a roofed balcony, a tranquil perch offering a panoramic vista of the rolling hills and distant mountains, a private sanctuary to appreciate the beauty of their surroundings. The landscaping surrounding Shed House was a deliberate extension of its natural context. Native vegetation, carefully preserved, created a seamless blend between the built environment and the nature preservation area it called home. The rustling of indigenous leaves and the vibrant colors of local flora framed the simple yet elegant structure, reinforcing the couple's desire for a home that was not just a dwelling, but a reflection of their values, a space where their life, their routines, and their cherished objects would ultimately define its unique and evolving identity. Alright folks, that wraps up our tour of Shed House by Airy. What struck me most is how this design truly puts the inhabitants first, creating a stage for their lives to unfold rather than dictating a particular style. The honest materials and the flow of space invite personalization and a deep connection with the stunning natural surroundings. If you enjoyed this exploration of thoughtful architecture, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more inspiring design journeys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.